it's your girl Kim back with another video. So in today's video, I'm sure you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be talking about some products that I picked up from Amazon by the company Foreo. But yeah, before we get into the video, you guys know what I ask. Please help me, support me, help me grow my channel, subscribe, share it with your friends, comment down below. You guys know I love all that good stuff. But yeah, let's just get right into the video. So I don't know if you guys recall, like I have the box here. I didn't open it. I ordered other stuff from Amazon, but I'm like, I really want you guys to get my reaction to these products. So I'm going to come back on camera the first time that I decide to use these items so we can get a real time, you know, how it makes your skin look. But there's another YouTuber that I follow. Her name's Aaliyah's Face. I don't know if you guys follow her here on YouTube, but I really trust her when it comes to like using products, you know, whether she pays for it, gets it free. She seems to be pretty honest, and I've tried a couple things that she's recommended or, you know, said is good, and it's worked out for me before. So this is something else I ordered, Velcro, not about this video, but yeah. So she recently, I guess, did a sponsored video by this company Foreo, and they sent her a couple things, I guess, for her to try out. And I was like, you know what, after the Fenty Skin video, and I really don't like talking about one company and another company, but after doing the Fenty Skin review, I kind of realized that my skincare process was broken. And when I say broken, by now there should be a video up on my channel about me telling you guys my experience within the past 5 days with switching back to my regular skincare from Fenty Beauty. And realizing that it wasn't working. Like, my skin just started to revert back. Like, all the good that I experienced was kind of like going away. So it made me think a little bit, like, you know, is there anything else in my process that's not working? Like, when I exfoliate my face, you know, is it too harsh? So I picked up the Foreo Luna Photo, and it's supposed to be like a face scrub. Now, I did see where it, like, I guess, like, everything kind of like syncs up with an app. Normally I exfoliate my face with, like, you know, like those little scrubbing beads, and I'm like, you know, I don't need anything too fancy, just something to exfoliate my face, not too expensive. And I started to think to myself, is that, you know, is it really, is it damaging my skin? Because normally, and this is probably gonna sound excessive, but I normally exfoliate my face every single day. Before I started Fenty, I would exfoliate my face every single day, and yeah, I was probably drying my skin out, so I would put the oils back on my face, and my face probably was like, I don't know, this is the best way I can describe it, but I was probably giving my face the rug burn effect. And if you guys have ever gotten rug burn, it's kind of like, you know, when you graze it and the skin comes off, but it's shiny, but then you put stuff on it to kind of make it look good. That's probably the best way I can describe what I was doing to my face over and over again by exfoliating every single day and then putting oils on it. So I decided to try this stuff out. Now, this stuff is not cheap. The one thing about when you purchase stuff from Amazon, now I'm going to leave the links for everything that I purchased down below. They were on sale, so that's a good thing. In addition to that, I have until December to return it. So I'm going to try these items out for a month. Hopefully they work. I really don't mind the price because, one, it's a one-time cost and I'm going to be using it at home myself. In addition to that, like, if it works and it, gets my face to look better, then it's all worth it in the end. So let's check this. Ooh. This is, you know how you expect something to look and feel? One, I didn't expect it to be this small. This is a trinket, but whatever works. But it feels really nice. And I'm always like, I don't want to put this in a bad way. I'm always, anytime I'm using something on my face, like, if it's meant to, like, to clean, I'm always thinking it has to be, like, rough. And maybe that's what my downfall was. But this feels really soft. So as long as it does what it's supposed to do, I don't really care how it feels. So in the package, you get the Foreo. It tells you to download the app. There is a little, like, instruction thing on here. I don't know if you guys can see it. And then I'm assuming this is a charging cable. No, why would... Wait, hold up. This box doesn't have anything in it. Am I missing something? Maybe I'm missing something. I'm going to go back on Amazon and double check. Maybe I got the wrong one. Maybe there's one that comes with a charger, but... Alright. I would assume that if you buy a price, it's like $58. Like, I would assume that if you buy something like this that they could at least give you the charger with it, but maybe there's something I'm missing. But that's not the main item that I came here to talk to you guys about. The YouTuber that I was referring to, in her video, this is what she actually had. She had the Foreo UFO. The reason that I bought it is, you know, again, I realize my skincare routine is broken and it needs fixing for the most part. Some things, you know, you can kind of tweak, but it wasn't working and I didn't realize it wasn't working. So I like this for a couple different reasons. If I'm not mistaken, it does cryo, it does LED, and it does heat. And I know those things are really popular like in the beauty industry now. I'm not going to go out and spend a ton of money on something if I'm not sure if it's going to work. So this is kind of like a small way for me to spend a little bit of money to see if something is going to work for me. I paid $120 for it. It had like the Amazon Prime Day, and then like the next day it was still the same price. So I don't know if it was really like Prime Day, but $120 versus $200, which is the regular price. And again, I have that like until December to return it, and I'm going to try it out for 30 days. So we'll see if it works. Hopefully I get a charger in here. The only one thing I think where she said is that you kind of have to really rely on the app to use this product. But as long as it works, I don't really care. How much tape did they put on this thing? Jeez Louise. Or maybe, I just thought about something. This is so random. Maybe the charger is in here because I think it has like the same type of connection, maybe? Maybe not. Alright, scratch that. I was going to say maybe the same type of charger that's in here will work with that one, because I would like to think for a product that normally sells for $200 that it comes with some sort of a charger. So let's check that out first. See what's in the box. Yep. They give you a cable, just a regular USB cable to charge it. You get one mask. Now I read a couple reviews, and maybe the review was a different time, or maybe the review itself, because of the sale price, they don't give you as much with it. But the one reviewer said she got like 24 masks, 6 of each. So again, not sure if there were different packages that were available. Maybe when she got hers, they offered different things with it. But I bought a couple masks just in case, just because I'm like, okay, well, you're pretty much supposed to turn this on whatever setting you want to turn it on. Is this the back? Oh, sorry. I'm gonna have to really like figure out how this works. This is all just like, it's so foreign to me, and I think you guys can tell, but you gotta step outside your comfort zone if you want like different results. And if you guys couldn't tell, like the hyperpigmentation that I experience with my face has always bothered me. So I'm definitely excited to try this stuff out. I will come back to you guys when I'm going to use it for the first time so we can get the real-time results. I did pick up 2 extra masks. 7 masks. Okay, so they're all in there. But I purchased 2. They had a couple other ones, but I just wanted to make sure before I went crazy that it was going to work for me. So I just got like the basics. They have one that's called Call It a Night. I think I paid like 10 or 20 bucks. I can't remember. I'm going to leave all the details down below as well as the pricing information. Again, keep in mind that some of the stuff were on sale, so maybe they're not on sale anymore. But and then also Make My Day. I think this is the one that they give you in the package. I'll put a picture of them on the screen because this lighting is just, everything's white rather than seeing the words and everything on the package. But I'm excited. I'm going to put this to charge. I'm probably going to try it out over the weekend. Not sure when I'm going to put the video up. Maybe I'll put the video up the same day. This way you can see, you know, how it works out for me right away. But I am excited. And I got to figure out what the whole, like I kind of want to use this to test it out right away. But at the same time, it's like, where's the charger? Like, and it could have just been me. I probably just didn't read it properly to see, you know, like, okay, does it come with a charger? Does it not come with a charger? But I mean, a scrubber for $58, I would assume it's going to come with a charger. Just saying. So like I said, I'll come back to you guys the first time I'm going to actually use these products. But that wraps this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.